Good day, all pet matters. Today we just finished cleaning the surrounding of our puppies and mommy dogs. As you can see, not yet fully dried, but these puppies would like to get out of the cage and play. So I think I need to release them because I cannot contain them. They are getting noisy. They are now more than 6 weeks old. Come here. See? Oh. Handsome puppy. Okay, go down now. So we get another one. We will release another one. This one is a girl. Girl. We get another one. Later we're going to put them in a shade because it's very hot in the afternoon. I will put them back in the cage and put in a better place, shaded and windy area with plants, so they won't feel the effect of scorching heat of the sun. Come on. This one is a girl. Hello. Come on. They are getting bigger each day and getting heavier also. And I need to add another spoon for their meal. So this weekend some of them will go to their forever homes. They are adopted. Okay. Uh-oh. Sorry. They just had their second dose of deworming yesterday. This one is a female. And that's our update for today. I hope you like our video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again on our next video. Bye bye.